You brush, you floss, you chew gum, but your breath still smells off. Most people think it's because of garlic, poor brushing, or not using enough mouthwash. But that's not the real reason. In fact, the real cause of bad breath is something you've probably never heard from your dentist. And once you fix it, you can eliminate bad breath completely. Let me show you how. You've tried everything. Mints, rinses, even fancy toothpastes. But the smell always comes back, especially in the morning. That's not just annoying, it's a sign your body is trying to tell you something. And the solution isn't covering it up, it's understanding what's actually causing it. The common belief is this: bad breath is caused by not brushing well enough. That's partially true, but not the full story. Here's what really happens. The bacteria in your mouth don't just sit on your teeth. They feed on protein, especially in the back of your tongue and under your gums. As they digest these proteins, they release volatile sulfur compounds. Ever smelled rotten eggs? That's sulfur. Now imagine that gas coming from inside your mouth. Mouthwash can't reach it. Mints can't cover it because it's being created internally 24/7. Here's the shocker. One of the biggest causes of bad breath is low stomach acid. Yeah, your stomach, not your mouth. When your stomach acid is too weak, which happens with stress, aging, and certain medications, proteins don't digest properly. Those undigested proteins begin to ferment, and the gases that form, they move upward through the esophagus into your breath. And guess what else makes it worse? Mouth breathing, snoring, dehydration, too many carbs, and not enough enzymes. And all these reduce saliva. And without saliva, your mouth becomes a dry cave full of protein-feeding bacteria. So the real problem isn't just brushing, it's an internal imbalance. And here's exactly what to do to fix this naturally and fast. Step 1. Cut the fermentation fuel. Reduce refined carbs, sugar, and snacking. Bacteria feed on these and explode in number. Try intermittent fasting to give your body time to clean house. Step 2. Boost your stomach acid. Take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before meals. This gently boosts stomach acid and improves digestion. Less fermentation means less gas, and that means fresher breath. If you have ulcers or reflux, consult your doctor first. Step 3. Hydrate and breathe through your nose. Dry mouth is the perfect breeding ground for odor. Drink more water. Breathe through your nose. And if you snore, consider a nasal strip or mouth tape at night. It sounds weird, but it works. Step 4. Scrape your tongue. Don't just brush. The back of your tongue traps bacteria like a sponge. Use a tongue scraper daily, preferably in the morning. You'll be shocked at what comes off. And step 5. Add zinc and chlorophyll. Zinc binds to sulfur compounds and neutralizes them. Chlorophyll from parsley, spinach, or supplements is a natural deodorizer from the inside out. Step 6. Try oil pulling. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. It pulls out bacteria, hydrates tissue, and naturally freshens breath. Step 7. Repopulate with oral probiotics. You've heard of probiotics for gut health, but your mouth has a microbiome too. Chewable probiotics with Streptococcus salivarius K12 can help rebalance your oral flora and stop bad breath at the source.